not all those who wander are lost. Oft hope is born when all is forlorn. Home is behind, the world ahead, and there are many paths to tread. Little by little, one travels far. May the wind under your wings bear you where the sun sails and the moon walks. Never laugh at live dragons. Faithless is he who says farewell when the road darkens. May it be a light to you in dark places when all other lights go out. I would rather spend one lifetime with you than face all the ages of this world alone. Courage will now be your best defense against the storm that is at hand, that and such hope as I bring.